everyone, in this quick tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to set your document margins to 1.5 inches in Microsoft Word. Before we change the margins, let's make sure your Word document is using inches as the default measurement unit. Click on the File tab at the top left and go down to Options. In the pop-up window, select Advanced from the left menu. Scroll down until you find the Display section and verify that Show Measurements in Units of is set to inches. Once checked, click OK. Now let's set the margins. Head over to the Layout tab on the top ribbon. In the Page Setup section, click on the tiny arrow icon in the bottom right corner to open the Full Page Setup dialog box. Under the Margins tab, you'll see fields for top, bottom, left, and right. Go ahead and change all of these values to 1.5. Make sure it says Apply to Whole Document at the bottom, and then click OK. As you can see, your document text immediately adjusts to the new 1.5-inch spacing on all sides. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more straight-to-the-point Word tutorials.